everybody. It's Miko with Wander Open Roads, and we are at Sullivan's Lighthouse.
So our next stop is just right outside of Charleston, South Carolina, to go see the Charleston Light, which is commonly referred to as Sullivan's Island Lighthouse. And it is on a really beautiful patch of beach. You are not able to go up inside of the lighthouse, but you know, it's really probably one of the most interesting lighthouses I've ever seen from an architectural and design standpoint. It looks very different from any other lighthouse that you'll see. So, you know, that was definitely a treat. So with our KOA film crew coming from Montana, they had never been to the Atlantic Ocean. And so, you know, we kind of suggested, hey, well, you can't come all this way and not get in the water.
Sort of a dare.
Yeah, just a little bit. And they did. So, you know, the water was a little chilly, a little bit too chilly for us. But, you know, I think those guys enjoyed themselves.
Yeah, those guys are crazy. There's no way that I would have gotten in that water. So it has been a long, exhausting day. We toured 2 lighthouses, Harbor Town and Sullivan's Island.
Yeah, I'm definitely tired, and now the fun part is we get to drive a couple of hours to our campsite for the night. But the cool thing is we are headed to Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach is definitely a cool place to be, and that's going to be our launch point for the next couple of lighthouses that we're going to visit. So, yep, we are on the way. But Sullivan's Island was definitely cool. Just I love the architecture and the design of it. Very kind of industrial, so
it's very different lighthouse.
Yeah, very much so. I really like that. So, all right, well, we will see you at the next lighthouse.
All right,
bye.
Be sure to check out our selection of travel apparel at shopredsquare.com and our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description. Thank you.